Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I've been looking forward to doing the video on this 70 Chevelle. It's absolutely gorgeous, but I don't need to tell you that. But it's a full frame-off restoration. I spent the day driving this car, and it is sweet. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as new ones come out. But right now, why don't you join me and let's go for a spin in this gorgeous 70 Chevelle. I mean, let me just get out of the way and look for yourself. The color, the wheels, the stripes, just killer. But starting with the bottom, they took the body off the frame, the floors, the inner rockers and quarters, all clean metal, all prepped and painted like a satin black. Suspension was all rebuilt, the front end's all rebuilt. Has upgraded red polyurethane bushings front and back, upgraded sway bars front and back, boxed rear control arms in the back. Four-wheel disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors, that's all new. The fuel lines, brake lines are new. Looked like the emergency brake cable system is all there. You look up at the bottom of the motor, it's still clean. The starter looks new. It's got a chrome flywheel cover. Turbo 400 trans is fresh. 373 rear end in the back with an aluminum Mosier rear end cover. It's got a really nicely, neatly bent Flowmaster exhaust system with a crossover pipe. You'll hear it. It sounds great. So the bottom of the car is awesome. I took this car home one night, and the next day happened to be my day off, and I spent the day driving it. I even went to the bank. I had to sit at the drive-up window for about 20 minutes on a 90-degree day. I sat there with it idling with the windows up and the air on ice cold. And it occurred to me that you expect that in your new car, but an old muscle car like that says a lot. This thing sat there and just idled just fine and ran beautifully. It steered straight. It just did everything right. I came back bragging to all the guys here what an awesome car this is. So anyway, the body is excellent. It's all real nice, straight, smooth, fits nice, has a super glossy finish. It's like a mirror. I can see the reflection like a mirror. I did wipe the car down. There'll be a couple, like a little tiny imperfection here or there, so I don't want you to get the impression it's absolutely perfect, but it's a 9.9 out of a 10. No issues, no cracking, no bubbling, no issues at all. No vinyl top. It looks like all the glass is new. The trim around the glass is new. Inside here is real nice and clean. Has some 6x9 speakers. Stripes are painted on. You don't really feel them. Bumper, tail lights, the SS pad, all that's new. Trunk compartment. I like this. They're all boxed and upholstered like that real nicely. And I did pull the panel back, and the trunk compartment was all spatter painted and clear coat. So if you pulled all this out, it's beautiful underneath there. But this looks nice. It's painted just as slick under the lid and in the jambs. It's got new weather strip. The latch looks new. All the chrome and trim, emblems, all that's been replaced. Has a cowl induction hood. The jambs are slick as the outside. New weather strips, new window seals, shiny sill plates. And of course, it's got some big polished wheels on it. Sits low in front. I can tell just standing next to it, this is quite a bit lower than a typical 70 Chevelle. Hood opens up nice and straight, not hitting the fenders. 454 motor, aluminum intake, some tall chrome valve covers, K&N filter, big giant dual feed Heli carb looks new. Looks like a Mallory HEI ignition system, real nice headers, the alternator, pulleys, all that looks new, the water pump. Of course, it has air conditioning, like I said. Aluminum radiator with 2 big electric fans. Spark plug wires, they're blue, they're run neatly. Has a real nice cowl vent cover I've never seen before. The interior lights work at the console, on the roof. It's got retractable 3-point seat belts someone put in there. Look at the detail, the latches and hardware. Yeah, these are the seat belts I'm talking about. And it does have rear seat belts. All new cushions. You sit in the seat, it's like brand new. They fit nice. All the trim on the seats are new. Beautiful steering wheel. New windows, cranks, door panels, dash pad. The whole instrument panel's new. Has the factory gauge package, all new. Has a retro stereo. Center console's new. Has the vintage air, heat and air controls. They're electronic, so they slide not by cables, but they're electronic. Carpet, floor mats, kick panels, mirror. And not only is it all new, but it all came together right. Like I said, it felt right. That popped right over. Isn't that snappy, responsive? But yet it'll sit and idle with the air on all day. Cowl induction flapper does open. New power brake booster system, new power steering. It's got a performance cam in there, so it does have an auxiliary vacuum pump because you lose some vacuum with the performance cam. I said a cowl induction stays closed, and when you tromp on it, that's when it opens. Watch it. This car is amazing. I'm around a lot of cars. I've had some cars that look gorgeous, but I wouldn't trust driving them real far. This one, it's got the looks and it knows how to cook. So visit volocars.com. That's where you can find plenty of ways to contact us. We'll answer any questions you have about the car, the process, delivery, financing. We can help with all of that. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.